how to set who can see your future post on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. In Facebook homepage, you'll have to do is go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, okay, go to audience and visibility section. Here you can see the post. Okay, you can tap the post. Here in post, you can see the who can see your future post. And the who can see your future post is set into public. So if you want to change this, okay, you'll have to do is tap this. And you can see here the option. So your default audience is set to public. This will be your audience for future post. But you can always change it for a specific post. Okay, you can change it into public, friend accept, specific friend, only me, or in this person. And I decide to set into only me. And after that, tap the save button below to save these settings. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set who can see your future post on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.